In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Drive API. Before we start, a quick note, enabling an API in Google Cloud turns on that service for your project so your app can request data securely. You'll do this once per project and you can manage it anytime. First, open a browser and go to cloud.google.com, sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. At the top of the page, click Console to open the Google Cloud Console. Inside the console, look at the top bar for the project selector. Click it to see your current projects. You can use an existing project, or if you want a clean setup, click New Project. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Choose an organization or location if prompted and create it. When it's ready, make sure it's the active project shown in the top bar. If you already have a project selected, you can proceed with that one. Next, open the main navigation menu in the upper left, often called the hamburger menu. Choose APIs and services. This is where you turn services on and monitor their usage. On the left side, click Library to browse all available Google APIs. In the search bar at the top of the library, type Google Drive API. Select the Google Drive API result to open its details page. Here you'll see a short description, documentation links, and whether it's currently enabled for your project. Click Enable. That's it. The Drive API is now active for your selected project. If you see a Manage button instead of Enable, it means the API was already turned on. After enabling, you'll land on the API's dashboard where you can view metrics, quotas, and access-related settings. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the Enable button, double-check that the correct project is selected in the top bar and confirm you have permission to modify APIs for that project. Enabling an API does not automatically create credentials. Depending on your use case, you'll set up OAuth client IDs, service accounts, or API keys separately in the credentials section. Also, review quotas to understand default limits and avoid unexpected errors in production. If search returns multiple results, make sure you pick the official Google Drive API entry from Google. To recap, you visited the Cloud Console, selected or created a project, opened APIs and services, went to the library, searched for Google Drive API, and enabled it. You're now ready to integrate Google Drive features into your app or workflow. Thanks for watching and happy building.